Hi, it's Tigo Venturi with the Venturi team and Keller Williams Realty here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And it's October. There's balloons in the air. There's balloons flying around here at our office down on Alameda. And so it must be balloon fiesta time. But it's also time for September market update, monthly market update for September 2016. I'm going to turn off the camera here and go down to the chart. I've got this great new piece of software to show the market data for the area, so I'm going to be going through this with you and showing you some of the things that have been going on in Albuquerque. So, first thing we're looking at here is month's supply of inventory, and this is your indicator of supply and demand in our area. And as you can see, over the past 3 years, the month's supply of inventory has continued to decrease, meaning there's less homes for sale versus the number of buyers out there looking for homes. So it's at actually one of the lowest levels we've seen in quite a long time. And that rolls right into the number of closed sales. Closed sales for this month, or excuse me, for September were 1,077, which is a 2% gain over last year, September. You can see though that we usually have that peak of number of homes sold in June, July, August. As you can see here, you go back last year, same thing here in 14, and same thing here in 13, and then we kind of settle down to a lower number in January, February. So that's the number of sold homes and the number of supply and demand. Let's look at the sale prices. In this case, we're going to look at average sale price. The average price in our market is $218,000. Average is average. So, you know, there's great homes for 150,000, 120,000 even in some areas, you know, up to 1.5 million in our market. That's kind of the range in Albuquerque. So average does not really always necessarily mean price appreciation, but you can see the trend here over the last 3 years that the average price has been going up. The one chart I want to show you though that is a little bit better indicator of actual price appreciation is average price per square foot, because it kind of takes out some of the variables that you deal with when you're doing averages. You can see we're actually at, in June and July, we were at 112 a square foot, came down just a little bit in August and September to $110 per square foot. However, that is a 3.8% increase over last year. Again, this is a year-over-year chart right here that we're looking at. And from here, let's go to some of the long-term trends, and this will be an interesting one. Let's do maximum. Let's see how far out we go here. This is all the way back to 2003 is the max that we have data on. And this is the average price per square foot. And if you were to overlay this with the home price index, you're going to find that it's pretty darn close to the same numbers. And you can see, obviously we peaked out in that time in May, June, July of 2007, like most of the market. Well, actually a lot of the market peaked out in 2006. We peaked out somewhere in 07, late 07. And of course we had our lovely downtime here, and from early 2012 till now, we've seen a gradual increase in home prices, and we're really kind of on a almost 4 year price appreciation trend in the Albuquerque market, as you can see by looking at this chart. It's not huge, not big moves. I mean, it was, what was it, 2% in 13, or 1% and 2% and 3% in 15. So it hasn't been big moves, but we are seeing steady appreciation in our market. A lot of other things we can do here, but I wanted to just kind of give you some of the basic numbers on what's going on. If you would like market data like this for your neighborhood, your part of town, we can put this together for you. We've got this, like I said, this great piece of software now that allows us to give us all kinds of data, and if you like data like I do, we'd be happy to do that for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.